Hi everyone, I'm Vaishnavi Tripathi and welcome to my channel Astus. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. This video is on Rath Yatra, which is also known as Car Festival or Chariot Festival. It is a Hindu festival associated with Lord Jagannath held at Puri in the state of Odisha, India. It is the oldest place where Rath Yatra is taking place in India and the world, whose descriptions can be found in Brahma Purana, Padma Purana, and Skanda Purana and Kapila Samhita. This annual festival is celebrated on Asala Shukla Paksha Dvitiya, second day in the bright fortnight of Asada month. As per description in the Skanda Purana, among the 12 yatras of Sri Jagannath, Rath Yatra or Sri Gundicha Yatra is considered the most famous one. According to Bhamadeva Samhita, those who can witness the four deities on the Simhasana, the sacred seat of Gundicha temple for a week, they along with their ancestors would get a place in the heavenly abode, that is Vaikuntha for all time to come. As per this text, those who can hear about this great festival, they also get the desired result. Besides this, those who study the rituals of the divine festival and make others aware of the same, they can also get a place in his holy abode. The Rath Yatra of the four deities takes place on the second day of the bright fortnight of Asada for the overall well-being of the mankind. In the Skanda Purana, it has been described that no festival of Mahaprabhu is more important than that of the Sri Gundicha Yatra. Because Sri Hari, the Supreme Lord of the cosmos, rides his chariot and in his very delightful mood to the Gundicha temple to fulfill his blessed command. As the chariot is a symbol of Sandini Sakti, mere touch of the chariot would confer compassion of Lord Sri Jagannath on the devotees. The famous verse of this context is Thatu Vamanam Društva Punarjanmana Vidyate. Rituals of Sri Gundicha Yatra. After the completion of morning rituals of deities such as Mangalarti, Abakash, Ballava, Khichdi Bhog, etc., on the second day of Asada Shukla Paksha Tithi, the Mangalarpana ritual is performed. The four deities come in a Pahandi, which is ceremonial procession, and board the sacred chariots one after the other. The deities, namely Lord Sudarshana, Lord Balabhadra, Devi Subhadra, and Lord Sri Jagannath, came serially in Pahandi and board their chariots. After this, the Chera Pahara, mopping the chariots in a golden broom ritual, is performed by the Gajapati Maharaj, is brought in a ceremonial procession by Tamjan Palanquin from the Srinahara king's palace. After this, the pulling of chariots takes place. The three chariots of Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra are newly constructed every year with wood of specific trees. They are customarily brought from the ex princely state of Dasapala by a specialist team of carpenters who have hereditary rights and privileges for the same. The logs are traditionally set afloat as rafts in the river Mahanadi. These are collected near Puri and then transported by road. The three chariots are decorated as per the unique scheme prescribed and followed for centuries, strung by the Bodadanda, the Grand Avenue. The chariots are lined across the wide avenue in front of the temple, close to its eastern entrance, which is also known as Singhadwara or the Lion's Gate. Chariot name of Lord Jagannath is Nandi Ghosa. Lord Balabhadra's is Taladhwaja and Devi Subhadra's is Darpadalana. As per tradition, after the Chera Pahara, the Bhoi Sevakas remove the charmala from the chariots. Each chariot is tied with four wooden idols of horses. The Kahalia Sarvator blows Kahali, which is trumpet. This is followed by beating of gongs. Thereafter, the chariots are pulled. Ratha Dwahuk, the jester-like minstrel, sings many songs to enthuse the crowd to pull the chariot enthusiastically. The chariots are pulled towards the Sri Gundicha temple, which is situated at a distance of 3 km. Thereafter, the deities such as Lord Sudarshana, Lord Balabhadra, Devi Subhadra, and Lord Sri Jagannath are taken serially by the Dwatipatis, in Pahandi to the Simhasana inside Gundicha temple. All rituals similar to that of Sri Mandira are performed in Sri Gundicha temple during the 7 days stay of the deities in the said temple. Then the Hera Panchami, which is an important festive occasion during the Sri Gundicha Yatra. On the 6th day of Asada Sukla full moon phase, Hera Panchami is celebrated. Then there is Sandhya Darsana. As described in the Puranas, getting a glimpse of the four deities on the Adapa Mandap during the evening, Sandhya Darsana brings incessant bliss to a devotee. The Sandhya Darshan ritual is performed on the day before Bahuda Yatra, return car festival, since ancient days. Bahuda Yatra. The return car festival of Bahuda Yatra is also known as Dakshina Abhumukhi Yatra, movement of chariot towards south. On Asada Sukla Dasami, the Bahuda Yatra is celebrated with certain rituals. When the three chariots are on their way back to Sri Mandira, a special type of cake, Podopitha, is offered to the deities at Mausima Mandira. Thereafter, the chariots of Balabhadra and Subhadra proceed further and are stationed in front of Singhadwara. But the chariot of Nandighosa of Lord Sri Jagannath halts at Srinahara. Goddess Lakshmi is carried in a palanquin to Srinahara and Dahipati ritual and Lakshmi Narayan Bhetta Nitis are performed there. Niladri Bijay. Niladri Bijay is a special event that is the last phase of Sri Gundicha Yatra. The four deities return to the bejeweled platform in a ceremonial procession on the 13th day of the bright fortnight of Asada. This is all there is about Rath Yatra. But as we all are facing the pandemic COVID-19, from last 2 years, people are not allowed to pull the chariots. Hope this pandemic virus cease to exist and from next year we will be able to celebrate Rath Yatra and people will be able to go to Puri and pull the chariots themselves. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.